Number 1. The 1975 Chevrolet Nova, priced at $3,200. Located in Central Point, Oregon. This fairly solid car has some areas that need extra attention. The exterior presents a sporty look with a blue paint and contrasting white stripes, while the engine, a 350 SBC, has been modified to produce around 400 horsepower. However, the TH350 long-shaft transmission is currently non-functional, meaning the car is not drivable and requires a trailer for transportation. The interior is not fully complete, with the carpet, dashboard, and front seats installed, but the headliner has been stripped, and the rear seat is missing. Additionally, there is a tachometer, not yet connected, and a dashboard modified with a modern computer. The car is equipped with a Chevy 10-bolt rear differential, making it a good candidate for restoration or further customization. Sold as is or best offer with a clean title. Number 2. The 1974 Buick Apollo hatchback, priced at $8,500, located in Minneapolis, Minnesota. A unique and rare classic collector's car, especially due to its hatchback design with foldable rear seats, similar to a station wagon. The car is powered by the original Buick 350 engine with an automatic transmission and has no mechanical issues, as the owner, a skilled technician, has professionally maintained it. A few years ago, the car underwent a partial restoration, including upgrades to the braking system, suspension, a complete tune-up, installation of new tires and wheels, updates to the fuel system and tank, and a new vinyl roof. The paint remains original and in good condition, with only a few minor spots needing attention and no major damage. The interior is also well preserved, reflecting the car's overall solid condition.
The A-pillars are in good shape. The seats are no cracking on the dash. Maybe a couple dry cracks on the one seat. All's good back there. The headliner is intact. This is the new top that was put on. It's in really good shape. This needs to be cleaned. It hasn't been washed in a while. The only cosmetic thing's missing is this little piece right here. And this little piece right here. Other than that, give you a 360 view. I think the bulbs are even original. It needs to be cleaned up a little bit, but the rear shocks are still intact. Looks like they leak a little bit, but they still hold. I did have a spare tire made, with an adjuster there, or a hold down. Even the original sealing is still okay. The lights are original, they all work. Looks like everything is here. The carpet's still pretty good. No rust back here. Again, like I said, it just needs a little cleaning.
Number 3. The 1983 Buick Riviera, priced at $7,900, located in Denver, Colorado. This car features a glossy black exterior, complemented by elegant chrome accents and a tan interior, exuding both luxury and comfort. It is in excellent condition, with nearly new tires, new spark plugs, and a recently replaced radiator, ensuring optimal road performance. The updated catalytic converter ensures the car easily passes emissions tests, offering peace of mind for the new owner. The exterior showcases timeless 1980s styling, while the interior retains its original features, including plush seats and wood paneling on the dashboard, adding a premium touch. With an odometer displaying the original mileage, this car is not only ready to drive, but also serves as a valuable collector's item for classic car enthusiasts who appreciate its historical and aesthetic value. Number 4. The 1978 Chevrolet Camaro Z28, priced at $8,000, located in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Equipped with a 5.7L 351 V8 engine and a 3-speed automatic transmission. The car has a clean title, but the odometer is non-functional, so the actual mileage is unknown, though it reads 71,000 miles. Performance-wise, the car is said to run well. The interior is in very good condition, with new carpeting and a functioning audio system with new speakers. The car has been repainted, features a new windshield, a new wiper motor that needs wiring, and new front brakes, including a master cylinder. The heater works, but the AC does not. Some rust areas have been repaired, such as the driver's side floor pan, trunk, and both rear fenders. While overall well-maintained, the seller mentions some remaining rust in a few areas. The car is not available for trades. Number 5. The 1954 Chevrolet Bel Air, priced at $9,500. Located in Aurora, Colorado. The car features a glossy dark green exterior with minor rust on the lower rear door that requires attention. The interior boasts clean green leather seats and a dashboard with classic design elements from the era. It has been converted to a 12-volt electrical system, equipped with an aluminum radiator and a new battery, improving reliability and performance. The headliner appears clean, and the overall cabin exudes comfort. Powered by a 210 inline-six engine with a 3-on-the-tree manual transmission, the car maintains its classic mechanical charm and functions well for smooth driving. This car is ideal for classic car enthusiasts seeking a stylish vehicle for leisurely drives, though it is not in 100% perfect condition. The price is reasonable or negotiable, considering its condition and specific model. Number 6. The 1973 Plymouth Duster, priced at $7,500. Located in St. Paul, Minnesota, this car is currently a project in progress. It cannot be driven as the front suspension needs to be replaced. It also requires a new headliner and a replacement trunk lock. The trunk is currently shut. However, the V6 slant engine and transmission are reported to be in good condition. The interior features unique materials like snake and ostrich leather, estimated to be worth over $10,000. This car is ideal for automotive enthusiasts willing to dedicate time to its completion, with the potential for a profitable resale. The seller is not in a hurry to sell and is open to reasonable offers or trades for other vehicles like pickups, ATVs, or equivalent outdoor vehicles. Number 7. The 1960 Buick LeSabre, priced at $6,500. Located in Clifton, Colorado, this four-door vehicle is powered by a 401 nailhead engine that runs well. The glass is intact, but the body and interior require restoration due to significant damage, especially on the driver and passenger floorboards, which need patching or replacement. The car comes with a new battery, a new water pump, and a new heater control valve. Overall, it is still drivable and turns heads on the road. While suitable for a restoration project, the interior shows wear with torn seats, and some body panels exhibit severe rust. The car is offered at a reasonable price or negotiable, but the seller is not interested in trades. Number 8. The 1973 GMC C15 truck, priced at $3,500. Located in Bonnie Lake, Washington, this truck is in relatively good condition for its age. It has a body with minimal rust compared to similar trucks, though signs of wear and age are visible. Powered by a small block engine paired with a turbo 350 transmission, the truck reportedly runs, stops, and functions as it should. The interior shows wear, with seats covered to conceal their original condition. The truck features a durable 14-bolt rear differential. While the seller is fond of the truck, they've decided to let it go. Complete paperwork is available with a clean title in the seller's name. No trades are accepted. Number 9. The 1967 Oldsmobile Toronado, priced at $5,500. Located in Las Cruces, New Mexico, this rare classic coupe has collector potential. It features fresh black paint, not yet polished, and only 40,000 original miles. The car is powered by a 424 CI big block engine, producing 400 horsepower, delivering swift and smooth performance with a roaring engine sound. The automatic transmission adds to driving comfort. The elegant interior boasts white bucket seats, a black and red carpet combination, and tinted glass. The car includes features like power steering and power windows, but some vacuum system repairs are needed to restore the functionality of the headlight doors. While maintaining its original aesthetics, it is being sold with a clean title. The seller is open to cash offers or trades for modern vehicles, such as a Mustang, Challenger, Camaro, lifted 4x4 trucks, or other classic muscle cars. Number 10. The 1968 Ford Country sedan, priced at $5,500. Located in Albuquerque, New Mexico, it is in decent condition for its age. The original seafoam green paint exhibits a unique patina characteristic of the southwestern U.S., adding character to the car. The body is solid with minimal rust, owing to its history in Southern California and New Mexico. The 390 FE big block engine, rebuilt in early 2024, features performance components like forged pistons, an Elgin camshaft, and ported heads, making it strong and reliable. The C6 automatic transmission is in good shape, with a new modulator and vacuum line. The interior retains its original double bench seats in brown, but needs cosmetic attention. Additional features include aftermarket gauges for temperature, oil pressure, RPM, and a functioning altimeter. Minor repairs are needed for the driver's door handle, lock, fuel gauge, heater, and a slight transmission leak. The seller prefers negotiations to be conducted in person. Number 11. The 1975 Plymouth Scamp, priced at $5,000. Located in Lake Havasu City, Arizona, this is a restoration project. The Slant 6 engine has been rebuilt with 0 miles, featuring a 10.25.1 compression ratio and a custom Earson RV cam. It also comes equipped with an MSD ignition system, an Edelbrock 4BBL carburetor, an Offenhauser 4BBL intake, and dual headers. The 904A automatic transmission has been rebuilt and is estimated to have 50,000 miles. The engine is installed in the car, but some components still need to be fitted, with all parts available except for a few bolts that may be required. The interior shows light wear, with white leather seats still in decent condition. The car is sold with complete documentation, including proof of engine work, other service records, and vehicle papers. The seller emphasizes that this is a project car that requires a flatbed for pickup, as the drive shaft has been removed for easier transportation. The car is sold as is, with no haggling or delivery offered. Number 12. The 1964 Plymouth Barracuda, priced at $10,000. Located in Mondovi, Wisconsin, this is a classic car that has been modified and is ready to drive. Powered by a robust 318 engine paired with a 904 automatic transmission, it replaces the original 273 push-button engine with improved performance. Custom headers and dual exhaust deliver an aggressive and captivating sound. New wheels and tires enhance its sporty appearance, while the original wheels are also included for those who want to maintain authenticity. The underside of the car is very clean, with no rust or soft spots, showing excellent maintenance. The interior, while functional, requires some attention, particularly the seats. This car is perfect for cruising, with a turnkey-ready engine, and is sure to be an eye-catcher on the road. It is priced reasonably and comes with clean paperwork. Number 13. The 1961 Chevrolet Impala, priced at $6,000. Located in Minneapolis, Minnesota. This car features a working 283 V8 engine. The braking system still uses drum brakes on all 4 wheels, but is reported to stop well without pulling to one side. The lights are operational, and the dual exhaust system produces an impressive sound. While the interior requires some work, such as the absence of a headliner, the seats are covered with traditional-style fabric covers. Other issues include turn signals that do not self-cancel, a missing speedometer cable, and a windshield wiper motor that needs replacement. A new gas tank has recently been installed. The tires are in decent condition, and although there is rust, particularly on the front fenders, the underside of the car is clean and free from severe corrosion. The car comes with clean paperwork and is described as fun to drive, though it needs minor repairs. Number 14. The 1969 Mercury Cougar, priced at $10,000. Located in Thurmont, Maryland. Featuring the iconic 3.51 Windsor engine, this car is currently in restoration project condition. The exterior sports bright yellow paint that has faded, with rust in several areas, including the front and rear bumpers. The headlights and taillights are intact, though there is some damage to the body panels. The interior features black vinyl bucket seats with significant wear on the driver's seat and a dashboard that requires extensive work. The 341 Windsor V8 engine, 3514V, appears complete, but needs cleaning and thorough inspection to ensure functionality. It comes with an FMX Cruise-O-Matic automatic transmission and attractive features such as power steering, power front disc brakes, and the exclusive Eliminator package. Although the car is in a neglected state, it has significant potential for restoration into a high-value classic vehicle. Number 15. The 1975 Mercury Comet, priced at $700. Located in Apache Junction, Arizona, this car needs significant attention and is suitable as a restoration project. The interior shows heavy wear, with torn seats and a damaged dashboard. It is powered by a 250 straight-six engine with an automatic transmission, but it is not currently running and requires repairs. The exterior shows its age, with rust in several areas and uneven panels. Rear accessories and the front brakes were sourced from a 1967 Ford Fairlane. While the car is not in great physical or mechanical condition, it holds potential for restoration. The paperwork is complete, though the mileage is unknown. This car is better suited for collectors looking for a challenging restoration project. I want to thank all of you who always watch this channel. May our lives be filled with happiness.